Welcome to this enlightening video where we delve into the invaluable financial lessons from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In this script, we will discuss 12 key insights that can transform your understanding of money and wealth. Lesson 1: The Importance of Financial Education. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the author stresses the critical role of financial education. Understanding money, investing, and financial principles is the foundation for making informed decisions about your finances. Without this knowledge, you're more likely to rely on others to manage your money, which can be risky. Lesson 2: Assets versus Liabilities. This lesson highlights the distinction between assets and liabilities. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, like rental properties or investments. A liability takes money out of your pocket, such as mortgages or credit card debt. Building a portfolio of assets is key to accumulating wealth. Lesson 3: Mindset Shift: Thinking like the Rich. Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes changing your mindset. Instead of seeking job security, the rich focus on financial freedom and independence. They prioritize creating and acquiring assets that generate income. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Lesson 4: The Power of Passive Income. Generating passive income is crucial. Passive income streams, such as rental income, dividends, or royalties, require minimal ongoing effort. They provide financial stability and allow you to break free from the cycle of trading time for money. Lesson 5: Entrepreneurship and Investment. The book encourages individuals to embrace entrepreneurship and investment. Becoming an entrepreneur or investor can lead to financial success because these paths create opportunities for generating income and wealth. Lesson 6: The Importance of Risk Management. While taking calculated risks is part of building wealth, Rich Dad, Poor Dad advises managing those risks. Diversifying your investments, using financial strategies to protect your assets, and learning to mitigate potential losses are crucial aspects of financial success. Lesson 7: Taxes and the Wealthy. The book emphasizes that the wealthy understand how to legally minimize their tax burdens. By leveraging tax strategies and structuring their finances efficiently, they can retain more of their earnings for reinvestment. Lesson 8: The Rat Race and Escaping It. The rat race refers to the cycle of working for money to cover expenses. The goal is to escape this cycle by creating passive income streams that exceed your expenses. This financial independence allows you to work by choice, not necessity. Lesson 9: Building Financial IQ. Building your financial intelligence means learning about investing, understanding financial statements, and staying informed about economic trends. A high financial IQ empowers you to make better decisions and navigate the financial world effectively. Lesson 10: The Importance of Accountability. Taking responsibility for your financial decisions is crucial. Rather than blaming external factors or relying on others, the book teaches you to be accountable for your financial well-being. This shift in mindset can lead to more informed and empowered decisions. Lesson 11: Learning from Failure and Mistakes. Kiyosaki emphasizes that making mistakes and experiencing failures is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of fearing these setbacks, the book encourages you to embrace them as valuable lessons that can ultimately contribute to future success. Lesson 12: Continual Learning and Adaptation. Lastly, the book promotes the idea that learning and adaptation should be ongoing. The financial world is dynamic, and success often requires the ability to adapt to changing circumstances, economic trends, and investment opportunities. These lessons collectively provide a roadmap for achieving financial independence and prosperity by developing a strong financial education, making informed decisions, and adopting the mindset and strategies of the wealthy. Thank you for watching this video on the 12 lessons about money from Rich Dad, Poor Dad with full explanation. If you found this information helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. And as always, keep learning and growing on your path to financial success.